Hello students of 7th standard. We have started the lesson number 10, disaster management. Today we are going to see some new points from that. See there, page number 66, open page number 66. In that the first point is, see there, cloud burst. Sometimes the water coming down from the rain cloud does not reach the land in form of a rain. So we know that rain is falling from the clouds, but sometimes what happens, this rain does not reach the land. At this time the rain collects there in the upper side of the cloud. Instead, due to a very high temperature near the land, it vaporizes and goes back into the same cloud. So what happens whenever the rain does not come to the land? It goes into the, as there is a temperature of the land is very high. So what happens? It goes up and collects in the same cloud. As a result, the amount of the vapor in those clouds becomes very high. So what happens? The amount of vapor which has gone from land to the same clouds, it becomes more there, or it becomes very high. Due to the rapid condensation, it rains suddenly over a specific and small region at a rate of 100 mm per hour or more. This is known as a cloud burst. So what happens? Suddenly this rain comes to a specific region, or you can say specific land, and or you can say the small region, and the rate of this rain is nothing but 100 millimeter per hour, or it may be more than that also. This is known as a cloud burst. Why should not we wait at the foothill while it is raining heavily? Because the, you can say, foothills may collapse or may come down, or there may be landslide. So we should not wait near the foothill whenever there is heavy rains. What is meant by flood? What are the you can say effects of the flood? Flood means there is, you can say, the amount of water becomes more into the river, and this river changes its way and the water comes into the residential area, or you can say into the fields. This is called as the flood. So collect information about the flood that have occurred at various places in Maharashtra in the last few years. If you see in the last year, so what happened near our you can say near our Jaisimpur also we have you can say experience the, you can say, effect of the flood. So protective measures in the view of the flood. What are there here? You have to construct a small dams in the mountainous region. What you have to do? You have to construct a small dams into the mountainous region. Construction of percolation tanks should be done. Making river beds flat, that should be done. So cultivation of new forest. So what should be done? The tree plantation should be there, and a new forest should be, you can say, cultivated. Connecting rivers. Suppose if some rivers are not having water, then they should be connected to the rivers which are having the water. Government of India has established a National Flood Commission in 1976. The commission has made a special efforts to control, you can say, the floods. A plan regarding flood control is kept ready for a national level to the village level. Large scale damage of a property and a loss of life can be avoided because of this plan. So what is done? See there, government has established National Flood Commission in 1766. There is a commission which has set up for the, you can say, flood regions, and this commission, you can say, executes the plans to overcome the effects of the, you can say, flood. This is done to the village level, and or you can say to the city level also. Large scale of a you can say damage of a property or a loss of a life, that is also you can say protected from this, you can say, plan. Then see lightning. You have seen a flash of a lightning in the sky. When you have seen this, whenever there is a, you can say, more storms are there, or whenever there is a raining, heavily raining is there, you may see the lightning. What causes lightning? Whenever the two, you can say, two clouds come together, they exchange their charges, and whenever they exchange their charges, this lightning happens. That means both the, you can say, clouds collide with each other, and whenever they collide with each other, there is a transfer of a charge from one cloud to the other cloud, and that gives rise to the lightning. Have you learnt about generation of an electric charge and lightning strikes in the lesson of the static electricity? Yes, we have learned that in the static electricity, you can say, chapter. In this lesson, we have also learned something more about the lightning and the measures for the protection from it. See there, wonderful things to know. Lightning temperature more intense than the, you can say, sun. Not all lightning strikes the ground. Whenever you see there is a lightning in the sky, all of the lightning does not strike the, you can say, ground. Only few lightning which is having more intensity, that only reaches the ground. In fact, about 95% of the lightning flashes are limited to the sky. Whenever you see 95% of the lightning, it happens only into the sky. It does not reach the ground. Only 5% of the lightning reaches the ground. Lightning can be generated within one cloud, between two clouds, or between clouds and the ground. How the lightning is produced? The lightning can be generated in between one cloud, in between two clouds, or you can say more, or between the cloud and between the, you can say, ground. About 40 lightning flashes occur per second in the atmosphere. Whenever you see there is a lightning in the sky, what is its percentage? 40 lightning per second occur into the atmosphere. The temperature generated by the lightning is higher than that of the sun. Then see, due to this high temperature, the air under high pressure expands suddenly, and a loud crashing sound is, you can say, heard. Why we hear the sound whenever there is a lightning? What happens? There is a tremendous temperature in the, you can say, air also, and into the lightning also. The air under pressure expands suddenly. What happens? The air which is under a pressure expands suddenly, and therefore the sound of the lightning is heard. Then see, lightning strikes open ground maximum times. Whenever you see, the world's mortality rate due to the lightning is low. However, survivors of lightning strikes suffer long-term effects. See what happens. If there is a lightning in a particular area, the people has to suffer for a more time. Then see, immediate treatment of a lightning affected persons can save their life. If whenever the lightning falls or whenever the lightning strikes the people, what you have to do? You have to take the peoples to the, you can say, hospital readily. And what you have to do? You have to give the treatment that can save their lives also. A study of a place struck with lightning shows that it happens more on open ground than under a tree or near a water. So what it is, what to the conclusion we can come? That the lightning only strikes to the ground where there is a open ground, and there is a less percentage of striking to the, you can say, water, or you can say to the trees. Mishaps have occurred most often when a person is at a high places or near a tall object. Only there are few incidents where you can see that the person is stricken by a lightning when he is present at a, you can say, tall place. What precautions will you take during the thunderstorms? There are some precautions that you have to take during the thunderstorm. See, do not stand on an open ground. Do not stand on an open ground or below a tree. You should not stand also below a tree. Do not go to a high location or don't climb a tree. You don't go to a high location or do not climb a, you can say, tree. Do not stand near the electrical pole because there will be the exchange of charges between the electrical pole and between the lightning, and this may cause a various effects on the man. Then see, a telephone pole or a tower, you should also not stand there. Do not lean on wired fences around a farm, a compound, a garden or a house. See, we put a fences for a farm, for a, you can say, compound or for a garden. We should not lean this, you can say, the wired fences also. Then see, if you are on a two-wheeler, bicycle, tractor or a boat, get off immediately and go to the safe place. See, if there is a lightning occurs whenever you are on the two-wheeler, or you can say whenever you are sitting on a bicycle, whenever you are sitting in a tractor, or you can say in a boat, what you have to do, immediately you have to get off these vehicles and you want to stand to the, you can say, safe place. Take a care to keep a distance of 15 feet between any two persons. So what you have to do? You have to keep a distance of 15 feet between two persons. Do not gather together at one place. That means don't crowd at one place. Then see, do not use plugged in the, you can say, electrical appliances. You should not use the plugged electrical appliances. Do not use a mobile or you can say telephone. Then see, stand on a dry wood, a plastic sheet, sack or jute cloth or a dry leaves. So what you have to do? You have to stand on a dry wood or a plastic sheet or a sack, or you can say jute cloth or a dry leaves, because these all are bad conductors of, you can say, heat or you can say electricity. Keeping your feet together, support yourself on the soles of your feet, placing your hands on the knees and crouch low. What you have to do? You have to keep your hands on your knees and you have to crouch. That means you have to halfly kneel down there. Then see, swimmers or fishermen should immediately come out of the water. The fishermen or even the swimmers who are swimming into the water, or the fishermen who went to gather the fishes into the oceans or into the seas, they should come back earlier and they should come out of the water, as there is a, you can say, hazardous to their life. Then see, a pakka house is the safest place. If you see, the pakka house is the safest place. Find out where there is a lightning conductor on any tall building near your house. Suppose if there is any tall building which is having a lightning conductor, you should go into that house. If necessary, get a lightning conductor fitted on your house also. You should fit the conductor, lightning conductor on your house too.